Arif sits hunched at his desk, wrestling with a Hindi textbook, his frustration palpable. He pushes the book away, defeated, as a mysterious glow emanates from beneath his pillow. Intrigued, Arif reaches for the glowing pen, unaware of the impending vortex. A swirling portal of light erupts, engulfing Arif as he vanishes from his room. Arif stands in a valley, bathed in sunlight, where the air vibrates with the promise of adventure. Towering Hindi walls glow with inner light. Standing in a neat line before Arif, steps forward, his form shimmering with energy as he speaks. You are here to save us from the Bubulaya mist. Bob and weave, their forms radiating unique colors as they greet Arif. And enter a vibrant forest where vowel symbols hang like ripe fruits. Sunlight illuminates the strange phonetic flora as A gestures towards the symbols, explaining, these symbols change the sounds of consonants. Arif begins to practice combining the matras with consonants like ka. He forms sounds like ka, ki, ka, ki, ka. Flickering lights dance into existence, each representing a different sound. O, and O. Arif focuses, carefully pronouncing each sound as guides him,